Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your PC. Make sure Windows 10 has recent updates and that you saved any open work. Once ready, open Edge or another browser and search for the official Google Chrome download. This steers you away from unsafe copies. Choose the 64-bit installer for faster performance and stability. Download immediately and watch the browser's download bar. If prompted by user account control, allow the installer so the process can continue without interruption. Once the file finishes downloading, run Chrome installer. Exe and accept the user account control prompt so installation can proceed. You'll see setup options. Choose default settings for most users or uncheck set as default if you want to decide later. The installer runs quickly, let it complete. After launch, sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. This saves time and keeps your data consistent across machines. If you prefer privacy, skip sign-in and adjust sync later in settings. Finalize by launching Chrome and loading a web page to confirm network and browser health. Make sure extensions and privacy settings match your needs, and set Chrome as default via Settings App's default apps if you want it as primary. If installation fails or Chrome won't open, restart the PC first. Then temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall and retry the installer. If problems persist, clear the download and get a fresh installer. Corrupt downloads cause most failures. Then reinstall with elevated permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.